Hello and welcome to our new lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn assign column sections and define some panels in portal frames. In MkaPEB, you can define your columns in several ways. Once, you can define only steel section columns, or you can define a full concrete columns. You can make a partial concrete columns, and on it you can define a portal frame, or you can define a footing with pedestal column. Let's learn how to do that. First, let's create a model. File menu, new project. I click the new project button, and the model name is portal frame columns. I open it, and I select our default template with hot rolled steel columns and press OK. Our model is loaded. Let's define column sections. To do this, you have to click Primary Members button. Then press Main Columns button. In this menu, first you need to select a reference axis. Hence, we have one axis and it's already selected. Then, you have to select nodes on reference axis. For example, I select 0 coordinates and program will highlight these columns. You can also select the other coordinates also. Then there is a sheeting type is default sandwich panel. You can change any sheeting type for your project. Then you should select the column type. Our column type is now structural steel. You can select reinforced concrete or reinforced concrete plus structural steel together. First, we are going to assign just structural steel sections. In the bottom tab, you can see a section type and profile series and also a profile name. You can also select here the steel grade. Let's see the section type. There are several columns available in MkaPEB. You should select what you want. We select default I shapes. Then you need to select a profile series. A lot of profile series are defined in MkaPEB. Select an HAB section. Then select the profile series. I'm going to select HIB 200. Then the steel grade is default. Click Apply Change button to modify the model. Let's see our section. As you can see, our columns are changed. Close this. Again, I click Primary Members and Main Columns button. Selecting the both nodes. Now I am going to select Reinforced Concrete column. You need to define the concrete column dimensions. Column width, let's make it 500. And column height is 500 also. I select the concrete grade C30 and the rust spacing is 30 millimeters. Let's apply changes. As you can see, the braces are removed. Let's see our section. Now our columns are concrete. I close this. Let's define concrete column and steel column together. Select the primary members and main columns again. Now we are going to select reinforced concrete plus structural steel. High steel part means the height of the steel part. Our column height is 6 meters. High steel part, let's make it 2000. And now at the top elevation and the elevation of 4 meters, there is a steel part and its height is 2 meters. Then the rest of the column is concrete. Our concrete section again, 500 and 500. Let's make it concrete grade C30 and the rust spacing 30 millimeters. You can define structural steel part in this tab. Let's change it and selecting the same profile. Let's apply change. Now you can see the program automatically add the braces. Let's see the section. Of course, you can make a shortened concrete columns. To do this, you need to go the same here, and you need to heighten the steel part. 4.5 meters, for example. Let's apply change. Now you can see the braces is end at the bottom elevation. Let's see the section again. See you next lesson.